So today we're going to open up 3 egg surprise. And they're just dying to do it. So here we go. Okay, which one do you want to open first? Okay, can you open it?
Open.
Oh. Can you get it open? What is it in there? Chocolate. Chocolate. So you got to eat some before you open it the rest of the way, huh? Let's see what you got in there. Bubba's already opened up his. Go ahead, open, Sissy, for Bubba gets them both open.
Open.
Open it. What's in there? Can you pop it open? Let's see. You want Mommy to help you? What's in there? Let's move this chocolate out of the way. Let's see what you got. What is that?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Let's see. What else is in there? Let's see. You got Minnie Mouse flyer. Let's see. And some